Long ago, I was driving an old car, but then I stopped. And then I opened the door, and then I was walking all alone. But then, so there was I the wolf, and I am there because there was the bad wolf, and my name is Jacob. Hello there. My name is Jacob the Wolf. And now I have my golden armor and my golden sword that I'm holding, eh? How do you like it? And now I will kidnap all the Pepsi people. And now I will kidnap all of them. But before I will do, I would never drink it. But if you dare to try, so I have something to show you. I want you, Dan the Man, and Josie to collect all the bad souls. Collect all the bad souls and bring them to me. Then if you bring them to me, I will let the Pepsi people go. But if you don't, I will drink them all. Is that clear? Okay. So good luck, Dan the Man. You will need it.